I was in the late 90s, 2000 tech bubble. And let me tell you, it's not easy to get out. People think of the tech wreck like it was a one-day event, like, oh, you just ripped the Band-Aid, it was off and everything came right back. No, in 2000, the NASDAQ went from peak to trough. It didn't hit the trough for about 3 years later. It was 3 years of pure hell. That's what that was. I see a similar situation unfolding where money went into the mega cap stocks, and now they're starting to give it back. Is this a trend? It's too early to say it's a trend, but I'm looking at the ingredients that could make it into a trend. So I'm looking at higher rates, knocking down stocks, stronger economy, building up industrials, economically sensitive stocks, because they have the opportunity to show growth. That's what's happening, and it looks like it's a pretty sticky trend. So the question is, do these smaller companies going down affect the larger cap tech stocks? The answer is yes. Now, does the larger cap tech stocks affect the rest of the broad stock market? It does affect it. And if people start taking money out of these tech stocks, you can't help but see the major averages, in particular the S&P 500, go down because it is still so heavily overweighted in tech.